Right. Good morning. It's Friday, day 11 of the $500 challenge. We're sitting at $1,315 today. After 10 trading days, we've almost 3x the account. So let's see where we go. Set up our charts. Hmm. what our friends are doing, do some push-ups, and be ready to trade.
I guess long distance, friends. Team Bull, what do you all see anything else other than that pre-market high that I'm watching for a possible reject? Anyone? That's right, Beck. All right, everyone, let's do this. MJ, you got your truck? What'd you get? I'm sure Jaden will be on shortly, everyone. All right, see what it gives us today. Win or lose, we're having steak. Steak on Fridays. Nice, MJ. Solid. Nope, not for me today, Greg. At least no lobster with my steak. This steak. I like lobster, but still. Watching this area for reject for the data strategy mostly, but I'm gonna wait 15 minutes to actually catch a futures trade. Let the 15-minute range get in because it burned me yesterday trying an early entry. I mean, trying an entry before that because of the chop back and forth. Then it stopped me out by 10 points and ripped down straight to my price target. So, gonna be patient. What's the data strategy? It's not something I call out. I just need to post. Does anybody have my video on it? Teambull, can someone post it in the chat there? The video on the data strategy. I need to update it, but it'll help people understand. So I don't have to explain it right now. Where's Jay done? I think he's just running a little bit late. I'm sure he'll be around. He don't miss. Let me check my text. He may have texted me. No. Thanks, Big Zo. I'll make an updated video on that soon. A little change to it, but it's basically the same. Teambull. Are you MG? Yeah, MG. Are you talking about him trading at the office? I think that's today. Beck, I was holding off for a little bit higher. I might have missed out for my entry there. The data strategy just hit a little early. We have factory orders at 10. Remember, when we speak about the market, New York session, we always speak in Eastern EDT, Eastern time. So there's no confusion. Yep, Geo, I was as well. I might have missed it with you. What's everyone sipping on this morning? Coffee or what? I'm glad it's Friday. Wait a second. No drinking this early. Come on. Nice. I did a pull day this morning. Hit some back biceps. He's running behind, I guess. The only bounce areas I see is like pre-market, low Asia low. Doing my best. Oh, I slept so long yesterday. Went to sleep like 8 or something crazy. We got 4 more minutes till the 15-minute range is in. Then I'll start looking for a trade. All right, Jay Dunn.
facility this morning. It's OIX, so we'll wait.
Buddy, we are up and running. Sorry, I'm a tad bit late, but we're just in time for the 15-minute opening range. I am so sorry. We are back. I'm so sorry. I was late. I'm so sorry that I was late today, everybody. It will never happen again. Our systems are all up and running. We're all good in the hood on that aspect. Let's find ourselves some money to make. We're trading live at the Team Bull HQ. Got some traders live in person here, which means one thing, folks. What does that mean? It means a banger is coming. We haven't had a red day trading at the office yet. I don't plan on today being the first. Late, bro. Come on. I'm sorry. I was just slacking. This morning. There's honestly no excuse. My dog ate my car keys. I'm pulling out the middle school excuse. All right, there we go. Cool. What's up, Grizzly Glock? What's good? What's good? What's going on, my friend? Let me make sure my Zoom is audio is all good in the hood. There we go. Now, if you're speaking, I should be able to hear you. Well, you can unmute. That's Cap. That's Cap. What's up, man? First time here. Looking forward to this. Welcome. Was good. Never two. What's up, Bone? Wells, our teeth, everybody. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, man. I was worried
What's
about
up? Just telling everyone I was late. My dog ate my car keys, so I couldn't come. The classic dog ate your homework.
Are you at the office or no?
Yeah, I'm at the office.
Who's all there? Anybody I know?
Whole squad. Just missing you, my boy. What you watching for this morning, bro? You see anything you like?
I mean, the data strategy was in play, but we rejected so close to where I typically enter. I think I'm going to set it out.
Dude, CPI printed this morning for the eval strategy. Printed.
Are they still? I mean, they still allow that, like you to pass like that.
Oh yeah.
Thought they put a stop to it. I must have read the email wrong.
That's cap. It's a little harder if you have a daily loss limit, but you know, she still cooks.
Makes for a bad morning when you fail 20 at once, though, doesn't it? Is that how you do it? Like try to pass all at once?
We had
Yep.
consumer sentiment at 8 a.m.
Yeah, all 20 at once.
Yeah. Man, the first time I ever tried like a trade copier, I messed up. Cost myself like 2,500 right off the bat.
Rip.
Yep.
No bueno.
We got news dropping. What, 10 minutes?
Know what news? Oh, we have consumer sentiment today, right?
I forgot already. I'm not for sure. I know we have something. What is it again? Yeah, consumer sentiment and factory orders. I knew there was something else. Factory orders.
Factory orders. Factory orders. All right. I'm going to be trading on the Tradeify select daily payout accounts today.
This one I got I opened 5 select accounts this morning. 100K.
Nice.
And I forgot to use a code on one, so I paid full price.
You know, you message them if you
can message them.
Not. I thought you were trading. That is not DOD, sir. You close that down, Gene. You close that down, my boy. We also got the Broncos jacket on, which 100% means we're catching a win because we all know who's winning the 2026 Super Bowl. It starts with B and it ends with Broncos. We literally have never lost at the never had a red day at the office. So I'm not looking to make today the first. We have no direction so far. I'd be jinxing it. Nah. I'm just speaking facts. I mean, we certainly could have a red day. I'm not fixing to have one, though, if you get what I am saying. We hit a really nice trade yesterday. That was bad. BA. We had a badass trade yesterday. I'd love to get a trade just like we got yesterday. 90 points, I'll take it. Hey, Grizzly, did you fix the pre-market high ordeal? Guess I can just, I'll be able to see. I don't gotta ask. It is fixed.
What's up, Jadon?
I was asking if you fixed the pre-market high
Yeah, it's all
ordeal.
good. Yeah, everything should be good to go. I fixed it yesterday.
All right, let's see what we get here. You gonna watch the data strategy?
No, not now. That first 5 minute candle came so close. A lot of people took it up there and caught the move down. But I didn't get the entry. I wanted it like 380. I was going to try some. Can everyone hear me well? Just want to make sure.
Sir. That the eval strategy I told you with CPI worked out money bags this morning.
The only one you can do that with Apex, right?
Yeah, well, technically you can do it with all of them. As long as it's a 1 day pass eval, you just need 1 day pass eval. If you don't have 1 day pass eval, then it does nothing for you.
We get one massive trade today.
That's all we need, baby. One good trade a day is all it takes.
Win or lose, having stake. Key. Stake on Fridays. I think it's still worth watching like that 25,400 area for possible reject, but I'd rather see like a high volume candle above pre-market high give us a possible trend entry to the upside at this point.
And where's the trend at? Is this trend in the room with us?
It's just waiting on this data, maybe. I don't know.
Yeah, I get data in 2 minutes. That could be it. You blew your Lucid account. Why'd that happen?
My evals, I'm going to try a long here just before data.
Let's get
Waiting.
this. Still waiting on any sort of confirmation. We're in the
Just a
60-minute
single
range, so
contract.
thank goodness I was late
Order
today,
filled.
but didn't miss anything. Nothing missed so far.
Order submitted.
Did not miss anything so far. This year, reminder to choose DoD today as well. Trade smart, trade safe, stay focused, and keep your discipline intact. That's the one thing holding you back from where you know you can be and what you've seen glimpses of to where you are now. Hopefully, y'all went and watched my new video last night too. A lot of value there.
Got this low right here. We'll see if it wants to just touch that out and rip. Oop, did it? Oh, shoot, almost. We'll see now.
No, that's not what I wanted to do.
Looks like we'll get touched out here. It was risky, but we'll look at it. Touched right at VWAP. We'll see.
Maybe this gives us a setup, guys. Let's see. I don't fully trust quite yet with that aggressive move up overnight, but we'll see.
I do think the market's tired of being down, so it wants to go higher. The war keeps pressing it down, so we'll see. Back at break even. Oh, almost.
We're bouncing off view up right now and also that 15-minute low. 15-minute low as well, everybody. If you notice a little different background today, I'm also trading at the office. We are live at the Team Bull HQ today. Yeah. I was just running a little late today.
Okay. Gonna touch this out. Right to again.
Let's see what this 5-minute candle gives us, guys. We're currently bouncing off VWAP. Good energy. Oh, yeah. You got the best energy in these lives. Always. Always.
I think it's going to stop us out, but it was risky. With risk managed, only one contract. So
Let's actually get this going here, too. We have less than a minute left on this candle. Let's see what they give us. Beautiful things. Not sure we're gonna get this close below. Technically speaking, orb low is valid. Let's see what. You know, we're right at VWAP. Right there. So we touched this 50% retracement around 300. I'm just not fully sold with that pre-market move. I don't think it looks bad testing up into here for shorts. 300, you know, stops like 321. We'll wait and see. See anything you like, Grizzly Glock? You watch for the shorts? What do you think?
Stop filled.
All right. Jeez Louise. All I like right now potentially is the sell side. Everybody, shorts. Until we break above the midpoint and also above our 15-minute high. I don't have a lot that I like for longs. Maybe if we went and touched a 25,200, that pre-market low, watch for that too. That I would be willing to watch for a sweep of pre-market low. Whoops.
Watching for a short entry.
Yeah, me too.
Took short. I mean, right. Honestly, this is valid setup.
I was watching for that 300
recovered
to 310. I
VWAP.
just didn't pull the trigger right at 300. We're
I'm gonna
right
go
above
a little
VWAP.
more time here
Right at that
because it's
15-minute
bouncing
low
off
too.
yesterday's low.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Order submitted.
Here's what I'm looking at. It's bouncing off yesterday's low. It bounced off VWAP, touched it out. Now it's recovered VWAP. So risky, but this could be the reversal. Also, this volume's pretty low. So
Yep. One a little more confirmation there. Just haven't, I haven't seen a huge move yet either. Got about a 1-to-1 move if everything was perfect, but I did not take anything up there. What's Miss ES doing? I haven't traded ES in a hot minute. It's been a while. This is a really tough spot, guys. Right here, we have VWAP right here at 287. We have 15-minute high or 15-minute low, excuse me, at 290. Huh. And then our 50% retracement and 0.618 made a gap. No trades yet, everybody. Stay patient.
see if this can hold.
I'm not fully on board with shorts just quite yet. We're getting there, but not quite yet. We're getting close. Went and tested that 50% retracement. What's up, Brandon? Damn, Brandon, another L. Bro's cooked. It's all right. Sometimes we all get cooked. I've had my fair share of getting cooked. Plenty. Oh boy. All right, guys. Still no trades for me. Still waiting. Still waiting. No trades yet. I believe it's coming though. Gene, you want to come say hello? I'm gonna use the restroom quick. I'll be right back. No trades for me yet,
Connection
guys.
lost.
Just waiting, staying patient, trading smart, trading safe. Staying patient, Gene.
Mami,
Back here, everybody.
¿qué pasó, compas? Where are my chats? What's going on? What up, guys? I'm done trading already. Why you call me Sleepy Joe Jean?
Be a critical area right here.
Yes, I'm in here. Should I call y'all to
I
trade
don't
out?
let this go much negative here. That's a reversal spot. I want to see it break through that. Okay, that's nice.
Brandon. I took shorts and then I went long and then I went short this morning. Like probably like 10 minutes in. Honestly, I was already up on the day. I just wanted to make like I think I had to make like $800, $700 and just to get this payout from Apex.
We trade night sessions, not New York, so we'll trade late Asian session into like what's for like those all night night. And it's like moving how many yeah, I mean it's just my work schedule. I usually
But yeah, guys.
fuck that. Like midnight. Early enough to get here.
You want me to speak Arabic?
15, the 5-minute candle's looking good with some higher volume on a
Sandy, those
strong
shorts are gonna get
candle.
cooked.
I think Jay Dunn will like that, but
I
he'll
didn't
look for
take 'em.
another candle to confirm.
That's why I didn't take them. The sneaky little candle. Sneaky little snake. Not gonna sneak me out. This could be a candle that we look for a retracement on and try to long. I'm not completely opposed to that. I would have rather that swept pre-market low, but say we close here, yup. 320 down to 300, stops at like 270. I'm open to that. You love that jacket, huh? All right, let's see, guys. Let's watch for a move back down for a higher low and see if we can take this up. I like this reversal candle here. Please be final bull liquidity grab, maybe. ES had a nice aggressive candle too, guys. All right, let's see here. Watching for a move back down to 300 for potential move and move higher. I'm not.
Go ahead and close
I don't
this,
have
so we're
orders set
basically flat.
to say
Look
that,
for
but
that
that's what I'm
retrace
watching
as
for. If I
well.
like what I see with price, if we wick down and then come back up, I'll watch for those longs there.
Order filled.
I don't. This isn't a 2-bar setup, guys. My strategy is not 2-bar. It's a tool that I use, but I don't wake up every day and say, all right, where are the 2-bars at? No 2-bar, no trade. It's only really good on trend days. The only thing the 2-bar is good for is if you have an aggressive trend that you're not getting any pullbacks on. There are not any deep retracements on. This is 2-bar in the room with us.
Like this to finish up here.
I'm gonna watch a 300 area bounce, everyone.
Me too. I like it. I like that 300 area with stops below like 268.
268 stop.
Crack myself up. Oh man. All right. Let's see. We're still below point of control, but above our level that I want to see us bounce. We'll see. We shall see. Can't help but mog him. Right. Where's Benji at? Where are the haters at? Bring them back. Only the pretty
Gonna
haters
go
should respond
early?
to the ugly ones. We look for shorts at point of control, not necessarily. That demand balance is banging. So just chop. This market's got me for like another hour. Got like 14 more 5-minute candles to find ourselves a banger. Red candles. Yeah, I would have liked to have seen a pullback to 300. I'm still open to this area. I don't love it with how we pulled back to 312 prior. But it's a possibility. Could be a trap. Saw an aggressive move on CPI pre-market. That, man, that would have been the move. Just hit the longs and be gone. I just spilled water over myself. It literally looks like I peed. Dead ass. It literally looks like I peed my pants. They got nervous by the trade and peed. It's still spilling. Why is it still spill? No, it's all right. It's just water. I could use one for the table. I'm just gonna tell people I peed my pants. I lost and got scared, so scared of my trade. I peed myself. That look funny. Peed my pants. Oh, guys, I peed myself. You thought it was paid on. Today it's peed on. Today it's peed on, folks. We'll see what that means in terms of our trading. P. Diddy is crazy. P. Diddy done. All right. We're taking this. Y'all are crazy. Well, great. Peed my pants, guys. What am I going to do? Need money. Need to make money trading to buy a new pair of pants.
That entry may have been it.
The trend line you said?
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I don't think we're getting that 300 pullback.
I agree.
It's not looking
That's
like
it
it.
right there. Yeah. Don't chase it, whatever you do. Oh.
All right, let's see what they give us. We're moving up on lower volume. I don't really have any areas that I want to short up here. But I also am not confident enough to long without solid confirmation. So we sit and we wait. Get the class, start chanting, "We ready. We ready. We ready for some trades." What you got cooking up, Grizzly Glock? See anything you like? Jada, I'm working on learning how to do a fix and flip. I have the capital based out in Orlando. Sir, I'm a trading guru, not a fix and flip guru. Though I have done over 30 flips, or funded, I should say. That's not honest to say I've done them. I've funded over 30 flips. I'm not a fix and flip guru. I am a trading guru. Jada on flips. Should we flip the tide? You know, it's funny. The first ever guy I bought a real estate course from is on it's on trial for fraud. I told you guys. Armando Montalongo. Look that shit up. Literally, I was complaining about that dude's program and how bad it was. I mean, I went to an in-person event and paid $7,000, and literally, bro, we danced the whole time. It was dance party half the time. That was the first ever like course I bought. Me and my friend split it. It was $7,000. We went half and half, which I'm all down for investing in your education. Trust. I spent more on education than probably anybody. But bro, we literally went and had a dance party half the time. There was like he didn't actually get in trouble for his program. He got in trouble because he would bring people out, and then he had this like upgrade program that was like $40,000. And he'd be like, "Oh, we'll partner with you on the deals." And he would like already have equity in the deals. And he basically gave a bunch of people really bad deals, and that's why he got sued. And that's why he's on trial for fraud. It wasn't about his education. It was about which his education sucked. Is what it is. But it was because he already had it was something with him having equity in the deals and not being honest about that. Literally look it up. Armando Montalongo. What do you mean, Jadon? Shut up. That didn't happen. Where look it up. I don't care. I'm the one who lost $7,000 on that. Well, 3,500. That was the first course I ever bought. Ever was house flipping. It wasn't trading. It was house flipping when I was 19, 18 or 19. Damn, Ty, that's crazy. He had a show. He had a whole show. Yeah. I went to one of those too when they asked for 30K to partner. I backed out. Yep. Yep. What's up? Did it? With who? Damn, Gene with another payout. How much is that this week? 3,300. That's a check. Let's go! Brandon's losing streak is over. Bro literally peeks his head out, says I kind of win in trade. Peeks his head back in. He's like, Dad, I did it. That is crazy.
Was the entry right there. High volume candle. Just I wanted it to come down just a smidge more. Oh well. Another trade will be around the corner. Bitcoin's on the move. It's nice.
So nope, we're going right back to it.
Looks like a possible short up here, but we'll see.
Oh, is that restore pages attacking There we go. I'm swaggy today. I appreciate you, bro.
On my evals, if it ticks this out, I'll probably try one short. We'll see what it looks
All
like.
right, let's see what they give us here. What up from Cap Hill? Hey, y'all see Denver hockey won last night in overtime in the Frozen Four. Yup. That was dope.
It's suspect because of this low volume. Oh, there it is. I'm watching. I'm in. Oh, that's in my qualified. Well, we'll see. Maybe she'll work out.
How long ago was the market opened? It's been open for a minute. Few minutes, actually. Swept that 15-minute high. Let's see what they give us.
Order submitted.
No trade for me yet, team boy.
I'm glad Brandon broke the losing streak. That sucks, especially when you're trading live. Just bought a Lucid Direct using code JDunn. I appreciate you, bro. Appreciate all y'all supporting. Love the Team Bull shirt. Let's go.
See.
Let's go. Seen bro was in the back wearing a Team Bull shirt. Sir. Honestly, you guys all waking up and trading with me every day. Why are you not wearing Team Bull shirts? Unreal. Absolutely unacceptable. Showing up not in uniform. Wow. What? I know I can't. My knee's all messed up. I could. I just don't want to put pressure on it. I've been giving you buttons, Jay. Yeah, come on. That my knee was hurting very bad. Ice.
Right. Below the 50 point. So
I literally had someone the other day
it's
send me a
below the
picture. They
50
were in
point,
Goodwill and they found a Team
50%
Bull shirt. I was
of
like,
this
damn.
candle. So I'm expecting
Someone
more
brought my shit
lower,
to the
but if it comes up and
Goodwill.
takes us out,
Damn.
that's why I've moved my stop down.
They put our shit in the Goodwill, dog. It's like, damn. Yeah, yeah. Too much DOD. Yeah, that was why they brought it to Goodwill. They had so much discipline and so much DOD. They got absolutely enormous with muscles and couldn't fit in it anymore. That's what happened. That's what happens. Or Brandon made them blow the. Yeah, Brandon made them blow their account, so they got mad and gave it away. Yeah, someone gave their shirt to Team Bull, their Team Bull shirt to Goodwill because they blew their account in your trade. Yeah.
6-minute candles coming.
Probably. Bro,
See
just
what the
peeks his head
reaction
out,
is here.
talks, and then closes the door right away.
And I'm expecting to move down since that was the touch to at least here, halfway between, but we'll see. Halfway between the 9 and the 21.
Better not. I'll whoop that butt.
If it breaks here, I'm going to move my stop down. If it breaks below this candle,
Shamefully, just like behind the bus, like not proud of it, man. You have to say it though. Last week I went 2 PA. Yeah. If you want the full port of money, you should have just done it during CPI. Oh,
No trades yet for me, guys. No trades yet for you, boy.
we could end up selling this all off. This candle did not respect our EMAs, and this candle may not as well, but we'll see. Our volume looking like still weak. 5-minute candle's about to close. We do have an RSI divergence here. You can see we made a higher high in price, but a lower high on RSI. So that'll print here in a little bit. So I still feel pretty good about this trade. There's a 5-minute. I like that action when it pops up just a little bit and then continues down. Let's see. I'm looking for a move down into this area. Here comes a 6-minute candle in 50 seconds.
Is the market going to give us a trade today or what?
I don't think so, bro. We'll see. We're gonna see. You don't even trade, Jadon. Give me the clown mask.
Okay, here we are.
You see anything you like, Grizzly?
Not yet, really. I mean, maybe like it could go either way above pre-market high. We could get the high volume confirmation for the upside move, or we could reject hard around that 25,400. I'm just gonna see what happens when we get up there. Watch volume and price action.
Here's the honest deal, Grizzly. You want some real action to come? What do we have to do? Leave.
Leave, yeah.
The second we get out of here and step away for the day, I'm sure the market's going to have the most beautiful trend day it's ever had.
Like
Move
yesterday,
incoming immediately.
that happened yesterday. Like as soon as I left, a nice long entry happened. By the time I got back to my desk, it was already over.
See, we just had to talk about leaving. We just had to talk about leaving.
Well, it hit our
We're
target,
leaving,
and then
we're
now
leaving,
it's
we're leaving.
Order
that,
Goodbye.
that
I
might be a
left. I left an
reversal,
hour
but
ago.
we'll take it. We'll take it.
That was our bounce area too. Went straight down to it. Too quick
Yeah,
to get
certainly
in.
did.
Bro, I swear to God, NASDAQ is rating us.
So I'm going to take that for the day.
What the?
What was that?
Great trade on
That
that
was
flash
bounce area.
down. That's why you have those stops set.
Literally went and touched not quite 300, almost, and then ripped.
It's a Friday, you know. He tends to do that. No, typically
And prop firms love those candles.
Yeah, 50 point wick. What the hell? All right. What the hell? That's like
Have a blessed weekend. Be nice. Smoke your lungs. Yep, we'll see. We'll see if this candle gives confirmation. We're at that midpoint right here.
I actually see this going higher, but it's really risky. So I'm going to maybe call it a day for today in my Friday in a nice way.
What in the mix?
I mean, so guys, that's one micro, right? One micro, but we spread that across, 12 accounts plus some higher earning accounts, and you're at, $1,500 for the day. Remember, we're on the $500 challenge. Our where's our live account? Live accounts here. We started at
Tough candle to
511
long.
trading days ago, and we're at almost 1,400. At 1,500, I'll start to take more than one micro on occasion. Once we get to 2,000, then 2 will be my standard entry. So
Eugene, will you find the dummy battery for the camera? I think it's in Gerardo's office.
tempted to short it here.
Jump below, girl. Jump below, girl. Maybe on his desk. Maybe he said somewhere around there.
I'm going to short here in an eval account.
Order filled.
May go higher. I'm trading this off the 5-minute chart more than anything else.
Oh. Bro's confused. Oh, still waiting, everybody. No trades, no trades, no trades, no trades. Yeah, we got a whole party going on here. So your reminder, we're over an hour in to choose DOD. Choose discipline over cheap, garbage, self-destructive, self-sabotaging dopamine. If you can simply just not blow yourself up, that's half the battle in becoming a consistently profitable trader. It's half the battle right there.
Not looking good.
Shout out to Jadon, the only one to show he peed himself on live. That's real, though. That's honestly facts. They call me P Done for a reason. Don't wear it out.
I'm going to close this, guys. I don't like it.
Order filled.
Man, I was hoping we got a little bit further down. Is moving stop loss DOD? Be honest, it just depends on the situation. Depends on why you're moving your stop loss. He said his DOD strategy was dopamine over discipline. That's funny.
It scared me out, but it literally could have gone either way. And this may be the touch where it rips higher. So remember, we missed this touch. We took this reject. And that was a flash, so it doesn't count.
See how
Let's
this
see.
ends up playing out.
holds.
Maybe. Want to give some shit away? All right. Let's catch a banger and do a giveaway. Uh, all right. Let's see what they give us. If we can break to the downside of this range. This is a hard. I'll still watch for this potential bounce area down here. It's just two not great candles to short in a row. Full body, no, almost full body down, and then aggressive hammer to the downside. Also with a closed below, point of control again. So we'll see, guys. So reminder, appreciate y'all being here. Trading with me, staying disciplined with me. Every single day you follow your rules, don't blow yourself up, and stick to the plan. You're making progress.
Nine more minutes, guys, and I think I'm going to call it.
Yes, Jade, you the GOAT for teaching discipline over dopamine. Yeah, baby. Good habits for everybody. What's up, Brando? Got a winner? How many points? Oh, thought you were gonna say 8 points on NASDAQ. I'm gonna say, oh, what a that's nice. Market's just consolidating. Any trades for you yet, Grizzly? You see anything you like? See anything that you like?
I'm watching Marvel for selling some calls. I got long positions,
No.
so you can see that this is gapped up 3-4 days in a row, and now it's right at its recent high, level 6. So
Still in this 15-minute range. Still stuck in this range.
What's up, Jada?
Still stuck. Oh, I was asking if you took anything or if you see anything you like.
No, we're kind of in this place. I don't want to take a trade here.
Me
I'd love to
neither.
get outside of this 15-minute range area
Yep, me too.
because the shorts look good there, but we was below point of control, but we literally bounced off VWAP and Asia high. You know,
You're up in shorts.
shorts.
I'd love to see a downtrend day. I don't know if it happens, but just let us just rip straight to pre-market low.
We We haven't really we haven't tested the data highs on NQ, but we have on MNQ chart. So weird.
Mhm. Yeah, back here, there's some difference.
We did, huh? That's odd. I just seen that too.
Yeah.
All right.
I don't think I'm
NQ.
gonna. I don't think I'm gonna take that 300 bounce, man.
No, me either. We came too close to it on that red candle with high volume.
A few times, and we just have aggressive wicks. That'll be 3 potential reversal candles in a row. So I don't think we take it. And if we do end up hitting this 300 area and bouncing, there's no regrets for me because it doesn't fit the system. I'm not saying that we 100% don't take it. I'm just not as confident as I was 20 minutes ago.
So QQQ hit the data high as well. That's interesting.
Still no trades yet, everybody. Still no trades.
If I was guessing what was going to happen today, I would say we're consolidating for the move up, continuation up. The move will probably happen about 10 minutes after I quit trading.
Yep. Oh, for sure. I know you're having FOMO from what? From consolidation up and down? No, I'm chilling. 6,500 on the week on the live account. We're chilling, vibing. We're vibing. Choosing DOD, staying patient. Do you trade options as well or primarily futures? Primarily futures these days. We are undefeated at the office. He's staying dried up. Don't make me get back on that. Don't make me get back on the option game. You aren't ready for that. Jay Dunn said something I'll remember forever. Hate never comes from above you. That's facts. No one's in a better place than you doing better than you hating on you. Ever. My engineer. I just have a Porsche hat on. How do you deal mentally with missing an entry? I'll give you this answer very, very quick. If you miss an entry on a good trade and you watch that trade go 500 points without you, you miss your entry and it just absolutely nukes. Simple answer. Who cares? Who cares? If it's a good setup, it's going to come again. If it's a good repeatable setup, you'll have a chance to trade it again and again and again. And guess what? If it doesn't come again, that means it wasn't a good setup in the first place. It wasn't a repeatable setup in the first place. So instead of getting FOMO and choosing frustration trading and tilt trading and revenge trading, just sit back, tell yourself DOD, tell yourself the setup's going to come again, and learn from it. That's how you avoid FOMO. too often you get in the mindset that if you miss one trade on one day, the world comes crashing down. Not the case. You got 5 seconds to care about it, then move on. But I have bills to pay. Well, if you're relying on winning trades every single day to pay your bills, it's a very tough road to go down.
Yeah, true.
Your system pays the
Plays
bills,
with your
but if you miss a
psychology
trade
too.
one day, and if you don't make money one day, you're going to miss your electric bill. Well, that's a problem. It's not a very sustainable way to trade. That's how you avoid FOMO. When I try this, I mean, I guess it's technically valid for a pullback to like 335, stops below like 310 or 300. We just don't have a lot of trend, so
Does come back here to 340. I'll enter it, but just in one of my evals, the 749. There it was. So I said I was going to do it, so I'll
Order
do it.
filled.
I'll take my 5 grand lower sometime. I'm thinking it was like sometime.
Just one. Could go either way. But I tend to want to respect these EMAs.
I wanted to see us, if we were going to look at a longs and trade, I wanted to see us pull back down into here. Even then, I don't love it. Yeah, I don't hate that setup, Alan. I don't hate a pull back into this 330 area. And then I'll stop below like 310. How much do you spend on gas each time you fill up the Porsche? I don't really drive the Porsche much. I don't really have to get gas. I've gotten gas twice, ever. Nope. Boring.
I mean, if we do break above here, my next level is up here at 25,500, so could be a good move. Might be one of these slow plodding moves after some volatility this morning, but we'll see. So, but I'm not gonna, I don't see anything really great, and I'm not gonna snatch defeat from the jaws of victory for this Friday. We have our $100 across 12 accounts, plus a couple other accounts that were double sized that. So you do that every single day consistently, managing your losses. In 11 days, we've had one losing trade, or one losing day, I should say. And admittedly, I traded very poorly that day. I shouldn't have. I had come back from a trip overseas. I was tired, and but was able to bounce back from that. So. All right, guys, it's 9:03. Gonna log off here. Uh, pretty decent day for not a lot of movement. We took one long from down here that did some good. We did take a loss initially in our evals. We made it back, and then we took the short from up here. And we've just got one account working on this trade. We'll see what it does, but have a great day, great weekend, and enjoy. We'll talk to you later.